So this is Mr. Bird, who's decided to hang out with me for the tent setup. Hey, Mr. Bird. We're just out here. There's a tent over here taking down. And Mr. Bird is hanging out. Mr. Bird. Mr. Bird. Hello. Hi. So surprisingly, it's not like the thing can't fly. It just, it can fly. I saw it fly. But it decides to walk more, I guess. And it also was just hanging out. So I don't know if we have a name for this thing. Mr. Bird right now is, he might be a girl. Hello. Hi there, Mr. Bird. Yeah, so just hanging out with, where is he? That bird right there. It's really having a great time here. Like, it looks like it's finding tons of bugs. I think ants. Lots of little ants here. It's having a great time. Ooh. Hop on? You wanna hop on? Wanna hop on? You wanna hop on? Oh. Well, I'm all packed up. Gotta say bye to Mr. Bird. Hey, Mr. Bird. Oh. It's funny, he's loving these insects. All right, take it easy. Take it easy. Oh, you're coming this way to say bye? Beautiful scenery here out in the country. Mr. Bird must love it.